What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you subscribe, please subscribe down below. So as you can see, as today's vlog is going to be in the thumbnail, I got a brand new car. Truck is a 2006 GMC Sierra SLE Crew Cab 4x4 Z71. That's legit. All right, guys, right now it's raining in SoCal, so we'll go outside in a little bit, but let's check out the interior. So, four-wheel drive, as you guys can see. I'm in it right now because it's raining and slippery. I have some good tires on too, but just don't want to get in an accident, you know what I mean? So, the steering wheel is worn a little bit, but it's in good condition, 100%. I've seen a lot of videos of these buttons, switches, are all messed up. They have to replace them. You know, go online, eBay, whatever. The only thing on the driver's side is messed up is this panel, but that's okay. And then so they Mickey Mouse this up here, but the dash, no cracks in the dash. I put a bigger mirror up here so I can see my kids back there. That's pretty much the only reason. The other one was small, it just has a compass. And then my sun visor on both sides, they're all flappy. And then come to the middle seat, it's cracked right here. Let me put my batteries down in my cup holder and pick it up. Got my junk, and then the seat. It's in good condition. I love that it's cloth too. And then I have my cell phone holder in this little cubby. Soon I'm going to be getting a double DIN to play my Android Auto. So I'm going to replace this soon. But passenger side, I got to get a detail in here too. Just floor mats. The previous owner probably had a dog. It looks like they had a dog. But I'll talk about more about that a little bit later. But the roof, the upholstery is good. No sagging parts, really. Let's check out the back seat. I know you can't see the back seat that much because the car seats are back there, but let's just check it out. So here's the door panel, looking good. It is cloth. So I got a bunch of stuff for the fluid changes coming up in the next videos, you guys. But got my son's car seat, my daughter's, and then my niece's. But yeah, car looks good inside. So this is pretty much the interior. The cubby right here is all loose, but that's whatever. Let's check it out though. Let's step back. The SLE badge is coming off on well, it's off on this one, it's coming off on the other one. But let's take a few steps back so we can admire my new truck. Like I said, this is my 2006 GMC Sierra SLE Crew Cab Z71 4x4. It came with Eagle alloy wheels, which I'm not a fan of, but everyone who said they like it so far. But I'm going to restore the headlights. I'm going to keep it pretty much stock. I want to find the OEM wheels and then put those on. And then do a 3-inch lift. Got a little blemish right here, a little dent. That's the only dent. Yes, it's raining right now, but the paint is oxidized. Let's take a round trip. It looks good in the rain, dude. Like, the wheels are growing on me, but it is not my cup of tea. This car did have a crew cab. Sorry, not crew cab. A camper. But I sold it the front right when I got it. I got this car at auction for $5,800, tax and title. Tax and title. Sierra. Got like fur right there for some reason. Damn. It looks nice, not gonna lie. So the camper rubbed so much, it rubbed the paint off right here and right there. but overall it's good. So I'm sitting on 17s. I don't know the width of the rim, the wheel, but the tires are BF Goodrich KO2s, 265/70 17s. So I'm sitting on those. Here's the SLE badge I was talking about. It's like coming off. I have new ones inside my house. My buddy told me I can get Z71 ones, but I'm okay with the sticker being right there, but I'd rather just keep the SLE. Door handles are faded, but that's fine. Here's the other door. Checking it out. Interior is nice, but yeah, let's check out the passenger side. Like I said, I got to do a deep clean, interior clean on this. I'm probably gonna pay for it. Don't want to do it myself, but this car actually came with the I'll show you guys in a little bit. It came with the window sticker. Still, it was a original owner. It's a one owner. Got a little coming off there. It's a one owner, California. I'm the second owner. Pretty dope, guys. Pretty dope. Let's check out the engine. It is a 5.3 Vortec. Ooh, my back hurts. Hopefully this footage comes out good. So, let's pick it up. Let's check it out. Oh, it's raining a little bit harder, so I gotta do this fast. So this is what it looks like. The bolts are turned on the head, so I believe it was rebuilt. So if it was, I'm kind of lucky. I'll show you the mileage too. But here's the engine. It's raining a little bit more, so I'm gonna go inside. So let's take a look. Okay, let's go inside. Is the lens wet? I don't think it is. Yeah, it is. A couple of drops. 211,000 miles. Not bad, not bad. So let me set my camera up so I can show you guys the window sticker. So the person who had it before me well maintained it. I'm pretty happy about that. So here is the window sticker. So back in 2006, the vehicle was $3,500, $835. Reynolds Buick Pontiac GMC West Covina, it says. Sorry, right there. HD rear locking, differential, HD trailer equipment, all that good stuff right there. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. So, the next coming up videos I'm going to be making, so since it's raining, I have a driveway on my house, but my driveway's at a slope and I can't access my garage right now, so I'm gonna go to my parents' house and do oil change, front and rear diff, transfer case. The transmission, I checked the oil on the transmission, it is red. Like, it's not even like, it's probably done. So I'm not gonna bother with the transmission oil fluid change, but add some, check the coolant level, see how that is. I don't know if it's ever been changed, but I think it probably was changed. But just do all those fluids, and each one of those fluid changes are going to be single videos. I've seen people do like all those fluid changes in one video, and I'm trying to fast forward to see like how they did it or how long it's going to take. So I'm gonna dedicate each one of those videos for themselves. Engine oil change, one video. Front and rear diff is going to be one video. Transfer case is going to be a video, and then air filter, cabin air filter, spark plugs, and coils, one video. So everything's going to be dedicated for that change. You feel me? But please come on the ride with me for this brand new to me GMC Sierra. And mod wise, what I have so far planned is 2.5 3-inch lift, either 33s or 35s. I follow this other YouTuber, love his content, and he stuffed 35s in his car. And you know, if you're watching this video, you know who I'm talking about. Love his content, I want to be just like, not just like him, but on his level of doing mods to the cars. So lift, stock wheels, tires, 35, 33s or 35s. So 285 17s or 35 by 12.5 by 17. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I work from home, so I don't drive a lot. So the gas mileage is not a big problem for me. And then those upgrades, and then interior wise, a doubled in so I can get Android Auto. That'll probably be before the lift. We'll see. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of this content, please like and subscribe, and comment down below what you would do to the car, do to the truck, and let's see if we can have a conversation and, you know, like start not a forum, but you know what I mean, like my comments. All right guys, thank you guys for watching, and peace. See you guys on the next one. Bye.